Mock drill exercise is part of 9th National Sarex 2020. In this exercise, government wants to see the preparedness of all the agencies. This is to foster a cooperation between aeronautical, maritime agencies, district administration, state administration. If there is any emergency, how we should respond. In this case, air crash had happened in the middle of the sea, and from there, the injured casualties were brought through these hovercrafts. And as soon as we got a message, we activated all the agencies like fire, police, health, doctors, all have come in time, recorded that response time is very good. Within 10 minutes, everybody could reach 108. Ambulances have also reached in time. And 2 patients are serious, they are sent to GMC. Otherwise, there are not many serious casualties. This exercise is basically to see the cooperation and coordination between all the agencies, and this is the good response that we got from all the agencies, from health, from fire, from police, from tourism, from captain of ports, from fisheries, and from our staff also. Even media has covered this event nicely. I thank everybody for cooperating and coordinating with us. And Coast Guard people have also helped in getting the casualties and those who drowned in the sea due to air crash.